morning, children. Day before yesterday,
Yes.
we have started Nina and Baby Sparrow. And day before yesterday, we have taken handwriting section. And now we will read that part of the lesson and new words. Now start. There was a great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Salwar kameez then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. Mother, she said, there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf of my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. I see, said mother. They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry, cheep, cheep, asking for food. I see, said mother. If we go, the whole place will be locked, and how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? Oh, Nina, cried mother, giving her a big hug. Is it why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We will leave the window open. Oh, can we? Mother, can we? Really? Yes, yes. We will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside so the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room, and wasn't Nina thrilled? Children, now we will read new words. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Second one is B-O-T-H-E-R, bother. P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem. D-R-E-S-S, dress. U-P-S-E-T, upset. R-E-M-O-V-E, remove. W-E-D-D-I-N-G, wedding. L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. P-L-U-M-P, plum. Let's once again. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. B-O-T-H-E-R, bother. P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem. D-R-E-S-S, dress. U-P-S-E-T, upset. R-E-M-O-V-E, remove. W-E-D-D-I-N-G, wedding. L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. P-L-U-M-P, plum. Children, you have to learn the spellings of these new words and learn by heart. Thank you. Have a